Hello friends, I'm Gaurav. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today I feel highly honored and privileged to launch the book of one of my close friends, Abhishek Mishra. We worked together in the hackathon recently organized by PMO Global Alliance. Abhishek is a very energetic, dedicated, meticulous, and detail oriented person. Abhishek is a seasoned project manager with 14 years of experience. He helps the organization to deliver the projects with the best in class quality, which helps the organization to maintain the relationship with the client. Abhishek has a profound interest in writing. He started writing in 2007 with some short stories, notes, and quotes. He has a passion for writing, and the research and analysis of a topic fascinates him. The fascination drives him crazy to articulate his viewpoints in his words. The name of the book written by Abhishek is The Book of Powerful and Exceptional Quotes. Power of Word Can Change Any Life. The book has been published by Notion Press. It is listed on its store and will soon be available on Amazon and Flipkart stores as well. So let me tell you something about this book. This book is based on the real life experiences of the author. So there are total 6 categories in this book. So it contains life quotes, motivational quotes, inspirational quotes, life-changing quotes, positive quotes, and mixed quotes. So I'm going to share with you few of the quotes in these categories. So first is about the life quotes. If someone hurts you, then don't be upset, as it's the law of nature that the tree with the sweetest fruits is beaten the most. The next category is motivational quotes. Express your pain, discomfort, and anger in your idea and writing in such a way that it attracts positivity and masses to make your dream come true. Next category is inspirational quotes. If you are getting rejected by someone today, then the same person will feel jealous to see your success tomorrow. Life-changing quotes. Humanity is often seen as interference and act of righteousness, often misjudged as behavioral issues. Next is the positive quotes. Everything started with a dream, some become reality, and in some cases, the dreamer becomes part of history. And last but not the least is the mixed category. The true measure of success depends on how many times you can bounce back from failure. So as you saw, the thoughts expressed in this book gives immense power, and they can motivate, inspire, and provide insight to an individual, and that can pass on his thoughts and messages across. So I wish Abhishek all the very best for his new book and recommend it to all my colleagues, friends, LinkedIn connections. Thank you so much and enjoy.